Moi.
Not song activity.
You just messed up my hair.
I'm sorry. Wow, Cora.
Happy Monday. Breakfast time. I'm going to show you guys what I ate for breakfast. Did my morning workout, and now the most important meal of the day. OMG, this is what happens when I'm trying to brush. Oh, glass all over the friggin' place. Okay, that sure didn't go very well. Okay, so this is my finished product. White chocolate, peanut butter, and oatmeal. That's it. And that's what I do. I just mix it up. It's cold already because I had to clean my mess that I made. Still sitting here eating my breakfast, and it's just me in my lovely room eating my oatmeal peanut butter, and I'm all gross and sweaty. OMG, did I just eat that off of the floor? Oh well, my floor is clean. So I am ready, and let's go. What to get, what to get. OMG, where did this weather come from? One of my child has a club function or a club meeting. So we're done with our club meeting, and now we're heading home. Heading home. I have my child here, but he refused to be on my video. Boo-hoo. I'm waiting in my car. My girls are doing hula right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those bling blings. Do you like my fingernails that I did myself? Can you tell? Yes, you can tell, because look, it's ugly and it's homemade and it matches my phone case. You like my phone case? You like? OMG, what the heck is this? Going through my bag. Look what I found. I don't know what it is. It must be a protein bar or something. But yeah, it's stuck all over my bag and it's gross. And I believe I have one of the messiest bags of all. I don't know where it came from. Oh, I found it. It's my RX bar. Gross. gross and nasty. Well, I got to the bottom of my bag and I had 3 different types of granola bars, some kind of bars. And do you see that right there next to? This is my mess that's been in my bag. And I actually needed a full-size garbage bag to clean up my mess. Well, I'm going to end my vlog. It's 11:05 and show you what I'm watching right now. Miss you, Heath Ledger. Hope to see you again. Toodles.